Here's my Chinese SKS. Pretty much original. No modifications. Just the way I got it. I got it used, obviously. 7.62 by 39, as you guys know. But this video is not about this gun. This is my contest entry video for ER720's contest he's putting up. This is actually my first contest entry. He's a relatively new video reviewer like myself. This is his 50 subscriber contest. So I thought it'd be fitting for me to do a contest with a fellow newbie here on YouTube. He wants me to do 3 things in order to enter his contest. And showing a gun is not one of them. Number 1, I gotta do a video, which I'm doing right now. Number 2, I gotta eat my favorite cookie. So, without further ado, here is a batch of my favorite cookies I just cooked up. Wait a minute. Those aren't cookies. But it is crunchy. It is fatty. Let me see. Crispy. Delicious. This is my kind of cookie. I don't really have a sweet tooth. I try to stay away from carbs. So, I hope this qualifies myself for the contest. That is good. And even goes well with a glass of milk. Cheers. Oh yeah, the third thing I have to do, I give a shout out to one person who is relatively new to YouTube. And I'd like to do a shout out to one of my subscribers, Agent 99, I believe. No, Agent This 99. I'll put a link right there. Agent This 99. She's a YouTuber who does all her videos from her phone. She does a lot of videos of her silver collection. Another bite of my bacon. So check her out. And I'm going to do my own contest coming up here pretty soon. Once I get enough subscribers. I'm going to eat the rest of these bacon strips. You guys take care.